CW-1 Law Firm LLC. How to extend your status for a CW-1 visa in the United States. If you are a foreign worker in the United States on a CW-1 visa and your status is about to expire, you can file a petition seeking an extension of your status. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services now considers this limited accommodation to facilitate the current Temporary Protected Status (TPS) designation for non-immigrant workers in the state. Do you know how the extension works? You would like to stick to the end of the video to know how. We at CW-1 Law Firm LLC have handled many immigration cases in the past with positive outcomes and reviews. We hold our clients at high prestige and handle their cases with great effort. We are here in your favor to stand in for you and put you through in all your legal hassles. To apply for an extension, an employer must file a Form I-129CW petition with supporting documentation on behalf of the foreign worker. The petition should include evidence that the employee has been continuously employed during their current period of stay, as well as documentation establishing that they are eligible to work in the United States. Additionally, employers must submit proof of payment of all applicable fees and sign an affidavit attesting to their intent to terminate employment upon expiration of the approved extension period. In addition to filing a Form I-129CW petition, employers should prepare a cover letter that explains why they seek to extend the foreign worker's status beyond its original expiration date. The cover letter should contain a detailed description of the purpose of the extension, including why you need it and any special immigration circumstances that may lead to its approval. What happens after an application? If approved, the foreign worker can remain in the United States for an additional period of time as determined by USCIS. However, if they deny your petition, you may submit a new application or reapply after the original expiration date. Remember that filing a Form I-129CW petition does not guarantee approval, and all applications are subject to case-by-case adjudication. This means that USCIS may reject your petition if there is evidence that you have violated any immigration laws or regulations, or if the extension is not necessary. Get help with your immigration problems. Call CW-1 Law Firm LLC at 973-732-1490 or visit our office at 494 Broad Street, Suite 208, Newark, New Jersey 07102. Se habla español. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.